Hi, welcome to the 9 Malls review of the as seen on TV product Pasta Express. It cooks pasta inside this container, no pots needed. All you have to do is add water and then put the lid on, and it will cook your pasta inside these dishwasher safe tubes. And the first thing I noticed about the tubes, it's made of a hard plastic. They're dishwasher safe, and then it has a little insulator where you wrap it around the tube when you're draining it out, draining the hot water out so you don't burn your hand. To cook the pasta in the Pasta Express, just place it inside the tube, add water, put the lid on, turn it clockwise, and then when you pour it out, use a protective thermal wrap right here, and then wait 7 to 10 minutes, drain the water, and you have pasta. So let's see if it works. I'm going to make a carbonara today, and with the Pasta Express. To make the carbonara, we have 1 pound pasta noodles, 4 pieces of bacon, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 large eggs, 1 cup parmesan cheese, black pepper, and a handful of parsley chopped. The next step is to add boiling water to the pasta noodles, and then I'll make the sauce for the carbonara. Okay, this could be a little tricky, but I'm going to add the water to the pasta noodles and set the timer for 7 to 10 minutes. So here we go. And it says pour it up to just 1 inch below the top of the container. So that should about do it right there. And I'm going to cover it and let them cook. Okay, so we have the lid on. One thing I noticed is it's really hard to get this lid on, and you have boiling water in there, so there's a danger of when you're trying to get the lid on, it's spilling all over you. So I'm making the sauce now. I added the olive oil, the garlic, and the bacon, and I'm just going to let it cook for a little bit, and then next is to add the noodles. In a mixing bowl, you want to add the Parmesan cheese and the 2 eggs. And you want to stir this up, and you're going to add it to the sauce. Yeah, so the directions said 7 to 10 minutes. I left it in 7. It's definitely not done yet. I tested the noodles, so I'm going to have to put this in another at least few minutes, because you see it's not quite done yet. The pasta's been cooking for about 12 minutes and looks about done, so I'm going to drain it, and here we go. So pretty easy. None of the pasta comes out, all the water's out. Next I'm going to add the noodles into my sauce and cook for 2 minutes. And you want to get these coated really well. So 13 minutes. I didn't want the noodles to get soggy. So that's been cooking 2 minutes. I'm going to take it off the heat so the egg mixture doesn't scramble. And I'm going to mix in the Parmesan and egg mixture. Okay, so I put the carbonara in a bowl, and I put a little freshly ground pepper, black pepper, on top, parsley, and some tomatoes. So let's see how it tastes. It looks delicious, and let's see how the noodles cooked in the Pasta Express. Alright, so let's try the carbonara, and let's see if the noodles cooked. So here we go. It's a really good recipe. I definitely recommend it. The noodles cooked, they're close to perfect. It took a little longer in the tube than it said, which was like the max 10 minutes. It took about 12 to 13 minutes. I definitely would not use this product on a regular basis because, you know, it's easy to cook noodles in a pot of boiling water. I'm not sure who is wanting to cook noodles in a tube. But if you're one of those people out there that wants to cook noodles in the Pasta Express, it does what the product says it will do, and so I recommend it